Hello, little boys and girls. I am called Algebron the Lion. Yes, I'm a lion. You can't really see that right now, but be cool, bro. Anyway, ahead of us is the wondrously true story of a lion, a witch, a wardrobe, and what? Calculus. Are you serious? Well then. I've recently been informed that this is not that. I suppose we'll just get into it then. This is the Chronicles of Calculus. We begin our tale with little Lucy Limits, a grade A calculus student who always studies her index cards closely and knows all of her cross-section formulas by heart.
Indeed I do.
Haha, isn't she adorable? On this particular weekend, young Lucy found herself in the home of her auntie derivative, who was to be her caretaker now that her parents had passed.
My parents are dead.
You'll get over it, Lucy. Anyway, it was now, as she was studying her notes quite intensely, that she realized something.
I'm very much bored with all these variables and numbers and exponents.
Oh my!
I think it's time I explore my new home.
And so she set off to discover the farthest reaches of the most boring home in all of the world. It was in these horridly uneventful travels that Lucy happened upon a magnificent wardrobe.
It's just a pantry.
Just go with it.
But it doesn't even stand alone.
Don't worry about
it. It's built into the wall.
Oh, God above, fine. It's a bloody pantry. Can we please get on with it?
I guess.
Lovely. Anyway, little Lucy found the pantry. But it wasn't just any other pantry. It looked somehow different. And there didn't seem to be any wall in the back either. As if it was deeper than could ever be. And she found herself in the backyard.
It's not just the backyard, it's calculus land!
You've got to be kidding me! Lucy decided that she would continue her exploration in this newfound world called Calculus Land. It was in these travels that she stumbled upon a new friend.
Hello.
Are you Jake Parker?
No, what?
Well, what are you then?
I'm Sean. Bridget, you invited me over to film, remember?
Play along, Sean. Play along.
Do play along, Sean. The sooner we get through this, the sooner I can get to my tea.
Was that a British lion?
Play along, Sean.
And so Lucy Limits was joined in her adventure by her new friend, Mr. Tangent Line.
So I heard you've been studying for this calculus test.
Oh, yes. How do you know?
I was listening outside the window. Anyway, if you want to finish your calculus homework, you have to go to the Candy Castle and defeat the evil queen.
Will there be Turkish delight?
No, where do you think you are? Narnia?
Yeah.
Go home.
Yes, do go home, Bridget.
But I'm already home.
Then just move along already.
Who is this queen anyway?
She's Madame Calculus, queen of the jerks, in the Candy Castle in the kingdom called Cosican. She's so mean. Value theorem.
Wow, Mr. Tangent Line, how do you know all that?
Yes, how do you know? I'm supposed to be the one explicitly revealing all of the exposition.
Oh, I read ahead in the script, and there's a cutaway where we go and do adventure-like things.
And so there was. Lucy and Mr. Tangent Line embarked on a perilous quest all across Calculus Land, over the pock-marked slope fields, through the critical number caverns, fording the wilderness river. They pushed themselves to their special limits.
That sounds offensive.
Bridget said it was okay, and after long arduous trekking and sketching numerous curves, they arrived at the home of the queen. But since we didn't have the budget to go to Candy Castle, they met her in the forest-like thing of functions or something.
Ah, we're running out of puns.
You're not differentiable in this corner of the woods.
Don't you cusp at me.
I'm evil!
It's Miss Gould!
Ah! I'm not Miss Gould. I'm Madame Calculus, queen of the jerks, in the Candy Castle in the kingdom of Cosican.
I told you so.
Quick, Mr. Tangent Line, we have to act fast.
The two fought valiantly. Their efforts used up the rest of their arsenal of calculus puns. They get so much worse. I'm very, very quite sorry. I apologize.
Particle motion!
I'm coming after you now!
Wait, roll zero!
Changing continuity. I'm gonna whoop your horizontal asymptotes.
Tangent, use the water!
I'm melting! What a world!
Wrong movie!
The witch, thoroughly misunderstanding which classic novel you were plagiarizing, decided it was time she move on to some other entertainment.
Well, I've got to dry myself off, so curse you, Lucy Limits! And your little definite integral, too!
My name's Sean.
With the witch defeated, little Lucy decided that she had had enough calculus for one evening.
I think I've had enough calculus for one evening. I think I'll take a nap.
Here, I'll help.
When Lucy awoke, she found herself back in Auntie Derivative's living room.
By George! I'm back in Auntie Derivative's living room.
Yep, I knocked you out and brought you in here.
But why did you do that?
I have anger issues.
And so ends our happy children's tale. The moral of the story, of course, is never place your almond farm near the river. Thank you for joining us. Until next time, farewell.